Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this is... not sure what it is, actually. Let's zoom in, see what it is. It's for a camera. No description, I'm not sure what it is. Okay, so we have some wipes. Whole bunch of wipes. And we have another whole bunch of dust absorbers. Oh, I never remember now. This is for my X3. These are screen protectors for the X3. And I'll be going on a trip soon, so I definitely need to protect my camera. So if you have X3 and you want to protect your LCD, then you can use this item. And if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.